Welcome to GSL GMC 1720, Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on the 2017 GMC Acadia Denali. This Denali is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the interior of the GMC Denali Acadia, we have the power windows, power memory seating. We have power locks, power trunk release as well. We have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control, forward collision warning on there. The vehicle does have 42,278 kilometers on the odometer. Push-button ignition. We have a large 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, phone connectivity, camera, rear climate control, as well as audio, all piloted through there. Dual zone climate control. We have heated and cooled front seats with a driver and passenger. Automatic shifter knob on your 4x4 dial there with parking sensors and lane keep assist. Vehicle does have the jet black leather interior here. Bose audio equipment throughout. GMC floor liners. We have the black leather seats up front as well with that dark gray piping and stitching, and Denali stitched into the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior. LED day lamps up front, LED tail lamps here. Jumping back into the interior, our second row cabin. Easy to Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2017 GMC Acadia. If this is your next Denali 6-passenger SUV, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.